Recently, the school's student management system has had an update. Subsequently, the way in which you access and view data in the Parental Portal has changed. This, therefore, is a quick tutorial to demonstrate how and where to access various reports, in particular NCA grades. So once you have logged on to PC School Parental Portal, click Student Info. Here you will find a range of information. For our purposes, we want to click on Reports. Currently in Reports, there are 4 different sources of info: caregiver contact, an absence summary, previous year's achievement, and current. For our purposes, we want to check on the current progress of students. To do this, click on the icon to the right. As you do this, your computer will then ask you to open this file as a PDF. Click on Open. So here you'll find assessment grades. Teachers have been asked to update results within 3 weeks of the assessment completion date. This is what is known as live reporting. Soon, this report will also show assessment dates along here. This will give you an indication of when to expect to see grades in the system. I hope this has been helpful.